Hello, I'm Dr. Darnita L. Payden, and my purpose is to educate, encourage, and enlighten. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel today. I am so grateful that you are here. In today's video, we talk about how to decorate a bookshelf for practically free. The first thing I did was to get the bookshelf for free. I had a friend who was changing his business. He didn't need it anymore, and so I took it. And yes, we will talk about that covered vase in just a little bit. So that's one tip. Find things that are free or practically free. Ask family members or friends if they have things that they don't need, and if they're in good condition and you can use it, then gladly bring it into your home. But be careful that what you bring in doesn't have anything in it in the form of critters, because nobody wants that. Free is not worth critters. And most of the things on this bookshelf, well, all of the things on this bookshelf were things that I already had. So that's tip number 2. Shop your own home. See what you have there and use those things first. The I love that you are all mine sign came from Marshall's. It was $2 on clearance. And if you know anything about me, you know that I love clearance. So what I did was shop my own home. I went around to see what I had and what I could use. None of these items have been purchased within the last 2 or 3 years. Some maybe even longer than that. So I'm unable to link those below for you. The I love that you are all mine sign was $2 on clearance from Marshall's. The bicycle came from JCPenney. It was $5, but I had a coupon, so I got that for free. And you know how I love free. The boxes on the next shelf came from Walmart, and I got those at an after Christmas sale. So they were 25 cents each in the actually photo boxes that I never took the plastic off, and I decided to just use them for decor. And just because an item isn't specifically made as decor doesn't mean that you can't use it for such. Think outside the box. Get it? The box. Now the story behind the candles are, I got those for free. Yeah, I get a lot of things for free. But what happened was I'd made an order with Yankee Candle, and I love their candles. And this one is bubbly pomegranate, and the order came damaged. So what I did was call customer service and very politely ask for customer courtesy. So there's a tip. If something is damaged in your order, be very nice to the customer service representatives, because they are apt to give you things for free. And that's what happened. I got a refund and I got a replacement, and I got those candles. And if you've never smelled bubbly pomegranate and they've not been discontinued, please try them. And these boxes look like decor, but what it actually was a security camera box. So they look like little file boxes, but they're not really. And you can use these boxes as storage. I have them empty right now, but it would be a wonderful place to hold some things that you need to use in your office. And these were 25 cents many, many moons ago, and they smell delightful. Believe it or not, this vase was the most difficult item to shoot. That's why it looks a little darker, because I turned off the lights and closed the curtains, because it's so highly reflective that no matter what angle I stood at, it was always showing me and my surroundings. But we're just going to roll with it. This was a $5 vase that I found on clearance at Home Goods. And I just took some tissue paper that matched the color scheme that I was going for, in this case, black and burgundy. And I just stuffed it with the tissue paper inside so that you would see the color coming through the glass part on the outside. And on the bottom shelf is this beautiful bucket, and I'll go through and show you how I use it to store just a few items in the office. The story on how this was practically free is it was a Christmas gift from Costco. And just a note, it may be coming off a little more red than it is. It's actually a deep burgundy, but in some clips it may look red and it had silver accents. But again, it was a gift from Costco and it had cookies, and no, the cookies did not survive. And now I use it for storage. I also call it my really big purse, although I don't really carry it as a purse. And I keep in here a portable office safety first aid kit. It gives you a quick facts guide, and there are tweezers in here. There are Band-Aids and wet ones and some alcohol swabs as well. So just a very basic kit. And then there is a memo book because I still like to take notes, handwritten notes. And there are blank notes because I like to write notes and still mail and send those. That was $1. The memo book came in a pack. That was $1. And then there is a night light for those nights when you are scared. And these are paper clips and staples and bobby pins. And let's go to this side. We have a little lonely highlighter, some stickies from Staples, sticky notes, and then there is a camera tripod, and that was $1. The sticky notes came in a pack. That was $1. And then there are some color coding dots, and these came in a pack that were probably about 25 cents. Since the inside is felt, I use it to stick the stick pins in so that nobody gets hurt. So that's what we have, and those were the contents inside. I would love to know what your favorite piece was, if you would rearrange something, take something off, or add something. So please share your ideas down in the comment section. But before you leave, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification, and do me one favor. Tell at least 5 people you know about my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. If you would like more information, please feel free to reach out to me at drdclutter.com. That's doctor, the letter D, the word clutter.com. It'll be in the description box. If no one has told you today how awesome you are, I want you to know that you are absolutely, positively awesome. Take care. God bless. Bye.